For decades, Clancy Vision has set the standard in parking enforcement solutions, leveraging cutting-edge technology to drive peak efficiency and deliver a seamless experience for all stakeholders. By integrating advancements from diverse sectors, Clancy Vision has elevated its existing system to new heights. Drones have already proven invaluable across multiple industries, from agriculture, media, and construction to military applications and beyond. A drone can be programmed with a predefined flight path, enabling it to efficiently scan each vehicle across any lot at any time. Just like in the 1980s, when Clancy pioneered using radio modems to issue the world's first electronic parking tickets, Mark and the R&D team have worked since 2015 to refine and streamline this process. With a real-time connection to our database, the drone instantly verifies each vehicle's payment status and, if necessary, initiates a citation process, delivering notices directly via U.S. mail. This enables a fully contactless, effortless experience where vehicles enter, pay, and exit seamlessly without the overhead and maintenance challenges of traditional camera systems, which are often more costly than a standard consumer drone. Powered by technology such as the DJI Dock automated hangar, which autonomously recharges the drone and shields it from environmental hazards, the Clancy Vision drone system is equipped for uninterrupted 24/7 operation, 365 days a year, rain or shine, day or night. With minimal maintenance required, all essential system management can be handled remotely. As always, Clancy is at the pinnacle of this industry, and with this version of Clancy Vision, great steps have been taken to ensure all regulations and safety measures are followed in the operation, while at the same time optimizing the results.